What's up, everybody? I am in the kitchen. I'm gonna make some little chocolate chip protein ball snacks for my kids. Let me show you how. We got 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, and then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of hemp hearts. Then we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of ground flaxseed. I couldn't do this part with one hand, so I added it off camera. 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. All right, then I'm gonna add in 1/2 cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, and finally we have 1/3 cup of honey. All right, so we're gonna stir all this together as best we can. All right, that all came together, so I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes and let it get a really good chill. So what we're gonna do now is take our little scoop. This is like a little mini cookie scoop. Makes really quick work of this. So we're gonna scoop out about tablespoon size portions of this chocolate chip protein ball. And then you wanna kind of squish it together so that it stays together, and then give it a light roll so that it's a ball. And there you have your chocolate chip protein ball. So if you want to make these extra beautiful, what you can do is take extra mini chocolate chips and press them into the outside. I'm not going to do that today just because these are just for my kids, so they don't need to be extra beautiful. So again, press them together so that they stick together, and then give them a light little roll. There you go. Super delicious. I'm gonna stick these in the fridge for probably about another 30 minutes to give a nice chill on them, and then they'll be ready to eat. You can keep those in your fridge for about 2 weeks in an airtight container, and they are so delicious. Your kids are gonna love them. Nice little snacks they can just grab right out of the fridge. You can also keep them in the freezer for up to 3 months, thaw them in the fridge overnight, or you can thaw them on the countertop for just a couple hours and they'll be good to go. So I hope you guys make this recipe. If you do, connect with me in the comments and let me know if you loved them, and we'll see you next time.